What's up, everybody? Just wanted to touch base with you guys. Posted a new assignment. I want to review that. I also want to share out some information that I know a little bit about your exam, what's changed, um, kind of ease your mind a little bit about the AP exams because I know right now you're like, holy crap, like a month we're supposed to be taking this test. What's happening? So I'll kind of ease your mind. First thing, got to call you guys out a little bit. First assignment, there's only 4 people that have turned this in out of 22 guys. That is not acceptable. We need to do better. Um, it's not that hard. It's one FRQ. If you have questions, you can always reach out to me. I think it's just kind of laziness on your part there if you're not doing these things. I can see if you viewed it or not, which most of you have, right? So really simple. If you viewed it, do it. Turn it in. Not too difficult of a thing to do. Secondly, if you go to posts, you'll notice that over time, I've answered some questions. Yes, you need to do current events. I've updated with some YouTube videos about review from things that you might need to know for class, some information that'll help you out with your assignments. I posted a video the other day. I'll come back to this one in a minute, but a YouTube channel that College Board's putting together for AP things. So please make sure you're checking this routinely every day, even if you just look on your phone, see if there's anything new to do piece by piece. You can get this stuff done, excuse me. So what's new? What else do I need to talk to you about? So College Board has released that they're probably only going to be testing you on units 1 through 3 of this course. Okay, they figured that most teachers would be around this point in their curriculum. They don't want to make you take tests on things that you haven't been in school to learn. What's the problem with this? The problem is that not every teacher teaches these units in the order that they recommend. When I was learning about this class over the summer, you guys know it's the first year, was told to teach them in a different order. So if you remember, we started off with Unit 1, but then we bounced to Unit 3, and we bounced to what they would label as Unit 5, Unit 4, and we were just kind of getting into interactions. So this is the one we still have to focus a little bit on. But what are we going to do instead? So I'm going to change the dynamic of your assignments. We're going to focus solely on reviewing these 3 units to get you guys ready for this test because I know a lot of you are stressed out about it. So first unit, Units of Foundations of American Democracy. It's going to tell you a little bit about what that unit's about. Ideals of democracy, Federalist, Anti-Federalist, separation of powers, Articles of Confederation, Constitution, all that good stuff. So what I did was, if you go back to Teams here, your assignment for this week, and it's actually not due till next Wednesday, I give you some extra time to do it, is a review assignment for Unit 1. So if you were to pull that up, I'll just pull it up. I have it up on my computer already. It's literally just a bunch of information that you're going to type in about what you know about Unit 1. Okay. I think it's pretty straightforward. Some of it you guys will need a little refresher on, right? Revenue sharing, mandates, categorical grants, things like that. But all you need to do is type directly into this what all of those are. And I gave you help. So if you're like, holy crap, Mr. Anderson, I don't remember what Unit 1's all about, I need some help with this, just go to Files. And under Files, if you click on Class Materials, you will notice that there is 2 new postings from today, both labeled one Unit 1 Foundations of American Democracy Review. The other one is just Unit 1 Review Materials. I would recommend Unit 1 Review Materials. That one is a little bit more detailed. I put the other one up just because I know some of you like, a little bit more straightforward to the point. But the Unit 1 Review Materials looks like this. So a little bit more reading, essential questions from the unit, things that their College Board's asking you about, their big ideas. And then it's kind of broken up into terms, definitions, theories, factions, right? Some of those foundational documents that you need to know, the cases that you need to know, things like that. Whereas the other one is a little bit more straightforward, which is this is what's on the unit, refresh your memory type thing, okay? So I think you'll be okay to do that assignment. If you have any questions, reach out to me about it, exactly what you need to do. But these are going to be where you find that information. So earlier in the video, I told you I was going to come back to this post. So the College Board, starting Wednesday, is going to be posting videos to this link that I already have up here. And that is going to be their tool and their kind of way of trying to help you know what they're going to ask you about in the exam. Okay. I don't have a magic ball to see into the future. Miss Monaco doesn't. Miss Morgani doesn't. We're trying to figure out what the heck's going on too, but we don't know the answers. Okay. There's a whole bunch of different things out there. There's speculation. It's hard to tell really what's going to happen. Like I said, the only thing I can really tell you so far is it seems like they're only going to test you on units 1 to 3. Okay. So, anyways, what I'm probably going to add to your assignments starting Wednesday is I will post kind of viewer guides with questions to the videos that they post for you. Um, because I think that this is going to be our best tool to get you guys ready for the test because it's coming from the people who make the test. Kind of common sense there, I guess. So all I need you guys to do is check this, watch a YouTube video, answer some questions starting Wednesday, okay? And I'll keep posting links to videos. I have one up already that reviews some of the notes for the first assignment. Again, I think it has like 6 views, so I know that we're not checking this as often as we might need to. I sent an email out to all of your parents, kind of let them know what was going on. So hopefully, if you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing, they can kick your butt into gear here. But we're kind of in the home stretch. This is unprecedented. It's tough. I know it's the first year we've offered this class, so I'm learning. You guys are nervous. I get that. But I need you guys to step your game up a little bit. So take a look at this assignment, see what you remember first. Any help that you need, go to the files, pull up either one of those documents, right, to be able to help you out a little bit. For example, grants, right? I said you might struggle with that. Definitions, examples, okay? So try your best. We'll see what we can do. I will be starting to do live office hours. I posted about it today, if you looked here. So 11 to 12:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There'll be a link posted here to Zoom. You just click on it. It'll ask you to create a Zoom account. You can just use your school email and password. It'll let you log in. You can do it on your phone. And then that way it'll basically be like FaceTime where you can ask me questions and we can talk a little bit about what you need to do. All right. So you guys have a really good day. I'll talk to you soon.